Hi everybody, today I'll be showing you guys how I make some delicious taco spiced beef samosas over here. Look at how golden and crispy they look. So easy to make. You just create the filling, wrap it up and deep fry them, and it's gonna be so tasty. So let me just show you guys how I make my samosa filling recipe. So let's begin. And also please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks guys. Okay guys, we're first going to cook down our mince. Let's add some oil to our hot pan over here. Okay guys, so I lifted up my mince and now it's time to stir fry our main ingredients with the mince. So over here, I got some crushed garlic. Over here some jalapeno peppers that are cut up and also a few red chilies over here. So let's first get the aroma out of these ingredients first. Just stir fry these ingredients on low heat. Let that aroma come out of these spice ingredients. Then we can add in our onions and bell peppers. Okay, we can now dump in our onions and bell peppers. Over here I got one large onion and one little small green bell pepper. Let's pop this in. Let's give this a good stir fry. We'll stir fry this for a few minutes before we pop back in the mincemeat. I'm going to just give it a good sprinkle of salt. And a little sprinkle of white pepper. Let's stir fry this. Smelling good already from those jalapeno and chilies. Okay guys, we can now add in our mincemeat. Give it a good mix. Okay, I'm going to turn down the heat so we can season this dish over here. Okay, we're first going to give a quick sprinkle of salt all around. We'll sprinkle a good amount of white pepper all around. We're going to add in a few teaspoons of sugar. I'm just going to add in 3 teaspoons for now. Okay, now I got some taco already made spice over here. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons. Okay, let's add in 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder. Let's turn up the heat and let's mix this up. Smelling good. Smelling that taco seasoning over here. Okay, now we're going to drizzle a little bit of oyster sauce and drizzle a little bit of light soy sauce. Turn up the heat and mix this up. Okay, we're going to pour in a little bit of tomato sauce. Give this a mix again. I'm going to just place these into some tubs and let it cool down before I place it in the fridge. The filling has to be cooled down before we wrap up the samosas. Okay guys, it's time to wrap our samosas, our taco samosas. So over here I placed in my mince, as you can see. Placed it in the fridge overnight, so now it's all cooled down. And then over here, I got some all-purpose flour mixed with some water just to make a little thick paste with my little brush over here. And we also got some samosa skins over here. I think there's like 50 of them. I think I can make all of it today. Okay, so it's very basic. Just going to get your samosa skin over here. Obviously, before I used to fold it like this, the dumb way. After watching some TikTok videos, it's so simple. You just like this. Push it way on top here. It makes the samosa bigger. Like this here. Push it way on top. You just hold the tip. And you just fold. Then voila, you get this little pocket over here. Okay, let's just add in some filling over here. Okay, now it's nicely frozen. Then the sauces and all that stuff won't leak out. Okay, let's add in a good scoop of this taco mince over here. Smelling so good even when it's frozen overnight. And you just give it a little squish because the minced meat is not falling downwards here. Yeah, just one good teaspoon like this, and then just gonna give it a little fold. Boom. It just folds into like a triangle like this. Then I just get my brush to put in some of that gooey flour. Just give it a good brush like this. Okay, just give it a good fold. Okay, and there's my perfect samosa. So I'm just going to make all of this mince first, and then some I'll pop it in the fridge and some I'll deep fry to show you guys. Okay, let me just do all of them now. Okay guys, let's deep fry our samosas. I'm just going to deep fry 10 of them for now. Let's do this. Just going to deep fry this for maybe 5 minutes until it's golden crispy. Okay guys, the samosas look like it's golden crispy now. It's been frying for about 5 to 6 minutes. It should be ready. Let's lift these out. Wow, they're so big. Just check at that. Wow, delicious. Wow, just check that out guys. So beautiful. Okay, let's plate these. Wow, just look at these samosas over here. Wow. Okay guys, it's time for a taste test. Oh, let's check this out guys. Look at that. Wow. Okay, let's grab a bite. Smelling so good. Let's grab a bite. Better than using curry spice, guys. Use some taco spice to make these samosas. It's so delicious.